welcome to our channel. You are watching Aroma Dish. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do Urad Dhall Porridge and these are the ingredients. This is a 300 gram of urad dal that has been soaked for 5 hours or overnight. Then we need to blend our soaked urad dal with some water. We have to blend our urad dal well until it becomes a fine liquid. Next, we are going to add our blended urad dal into 3 cups of water that we have put in our pot. We need to set the flame low. Next, we are going to add 3 cardamom and 3 pandan leaves for a good smell. We need to keep on stirring our porridge so that it can avoid our porridge from being scorched. We need to keep on stirring our porridge non-stop from time to time. Now we are going to add a bit salt. Now we are going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. The viewers can also use fresh milk. And we have to keep on stirring. Now we are going to add some sugar. This is a brown sugar. The viewers can use a normal sugar also. The sugar can be added according to the viewer's sweetness. Now we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder to make our porridge become more healthy. This is a cashew nut paste and it is also optional. We are going to add precisely 1 tablespoon of cashew nut paste and stir it well. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. We are using ghee for a pleasant smell and also it can make our porridge to taste better. This urad dal porridge is a very healthy porridge and it is highly encouraged for the younger generation to eat them as much as they can because it is very healthy for their body, and also for the girls to reduce their back pain or period cramps, and also for the guys to make them more stronger and healthy. Please let us know after trying our dish in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell button and thank you for watching.